Hey guys, welcome to Z-Man Creations, and today I'm going to be building some awesome Lego stuff. You ready? Let's get into it. Okay, so now let's get into it. So first what I'm thinking is I'm going to use this right here. I got to find that space. There we go. Yeah, these tools are very helpful. One time, I thought, when I was little, I thought that these were, you use them to make dirt bikes. Like you would, you could like have like this thing that would come up here and the tire would be right here. I thought it would be like the seat for the dirt bike when I first got my first one of these. And I'm like, whoa, it's a dirt bike. I can make a dirt bike. So what I did was I tried to build a dirt bike. And I couldn't make a dirt bike. And I was like, oh, wait, then how do I make it? So then when I went into the instructions to see if it showed me how to build something with it, and then I asked my mom, and I'm like, why can't I make a dirt bike out of this? It doesn't come with the parts to do it. And then my mom's like, oh, it isn't supposed to do that. And I'm like, oh, it isn't supposed to be a dirt bike? And then she's like, yeah, it's not supposed to be a dirt bike. It's something that pulls bricks off of like platforms and stuff. And here I am using it. There we go. Some Legos are so hard to get off. Oof, that's a little hard to get off. There we go. Here we go. So what I'm thinking is like making like, I don't know. I guess we'll just have to go along with it and see what. I'm just gonna start placing things together, and I'm gonna make like a little island. Okay, let's see. I could make an airplane if I wanted to. I could use these. Should I make an airplane? You know what? Yeah. I'm gonna make an airplane. I am going to make an airplane. There we go now. Okay. Oh wait, where's the steering wheel? I just threw in the steering wheel, not thinking about it. I guess I lost my steering wheel. I guess I'm not gonna have a steering wheel. That would have been awesome to have a steering wheel. I guess I just, maybe if I like scrounge through it, I'll find it at some point. Here, I got some airplane tires. There we go. Got that one out. Okay, so I got some airplane tires right now. I'm just gonna place them down. See, like that? It's like right above it, and that's what you want. Here's some another airplane tires. Ooh, it doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to use a 2x2 platform. This, and it's not gonna be color coded. I'm not gonna try my best to color code it, because I'm not the best at color coding things. But I hope you guys like this video, because it's gonna be hard. This is gonna be hard. Well, it isn't really too hard to make an airplane. Well, not at least the best airplane. Some airplanes are really easy to build, and some airplanes are really hard to build. Here, let's see. Like and subscribe to this video if you guys want me to do more videos like this, because it's lots of fun making them for you. So yeah, I just gotta know, because if you I know I like doing videos like this, but I just want to make sure that you guys like videos like this, so you know, you actually want to watch them. So if I can get some subscribers in, then yeah, I will definitely make more videos. Okay. So I just figured out that it's working out okay. So that's what I have right now so far. I know it's not great at all, but it will get better. Actually, it probably won't get better. It probably will just. Actually, I'm probably about to be done. I bet you guys are probably way better at building things like more awesome things. I can't build too much of a good things, I guess. I guess that I'm just gonna quit. This thing's way too hard. I don't know. Should I quit? Should I not quit? You know what? I have a better idea. I'm not gonna quit. I'm just gonna break it up, basically. And I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? Is I'm just gonna. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a box. Well, I'm gonna make one of those like puzzle boxes. I'm gonna make a puzzle box. Puzzle box, here it comes. Puzzle box, here it comes. Okay, here we go. So this is one part of it, and I will check you guys in once I'm closer. So here what we're at right now. So here I've found a different base. So this right here, there's a sticker on the inside, so it can fold like this. It's 2 pieces, so it can fold like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have it folded, and it's gonna go like this. It's gonna fit in right here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have it to where I have to, so you're gonna they're gonna pull it out and they're gonna be like, oh, it isn't, like they could maybe like just think of that, oh, it isn't gonna work, because I'm gonna have another part that has a keyhole where I have to put it in, and but it has to be this big. So then they're just maybe gonna think this, and then they just stop and they quit. So that's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm hoping. Okay. I'll give you on more info in a sec. Bye. See you in a second. So I'm back, and I have figured out some stuff, and I've gotten like some mechanisms figured out. Okay, so let me just give you like something to like so you can see it. Whoa, that went flying off. Okay, so. See right here. So this right here is blocking this from sliding out that hole. So what you're gonna do is you'll be able to pull that down, and then this can slide, and then you can lift it that way, and then this falls out, and then they would have to flip it like this to fit it in. Smart idea. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so this time I won't cut you guys off from just so you guys can see me doing it. So, okay, let's see here. I gotta set it back. Boom, gotta put that there, gotta put this there, then I gotta put that there. And then, yeah. Here we go, there 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 we go. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so that's there. Everything's right. Everything's doing good. And now, let's see here. So, actually, I can fit all of that right here. Oh, I don't want you guys to watch this part because I might get a little frustrated. So, yeah, I will show you right once I get that figured out. And, yeah. Guys, so I finally got it to work. So I got it on the brown. And, yep, it's all transferred. So, yeah, it's gonna make things cooler, and, yeah, trust me, it's gonna be awesome. It will be awesome. Okay, so here, what we got to do? Oh, these pieces will be important. This is going to be for sliding mechanisms. It's like the flat pieces, basically. It's the smooth pieces. There's no stub on the top. Those are going to be definitely important. Yeah, those are definitely going to be important. So I'll check in once it's better and it's looking dope. See you. So I'm back and I've gotten this far. So this part right here is gonna slide like this, and it can't go without the key, and the key's also blocking it. So look, see this? So you have to. So right now it would be locked because there's literally no way. So what you would do? First thing you do, you push this down. That would slide out. This would slide out there, and then you would be able to push that through. And there's gonna be a container right here, so you can put a candy or something special to you to put in, and it could be a vault. And yeah, so let's get building. So now I'm just gonna be building the container. Okay, so I've gotten one, and I've got pretty much it's going down. It's doing good. Okay, I've gotten the crate built. So now I just have to, let's see here, slide it in. Boom, slid it in. And now it is pretty much good to go. Now I will just have to build around it, and yeah, I will tell you how that is in a jiffy. 3, 2, and a 1. You ready to see it half built? Well, stay tuned. And guess what? I am finished. I know I'd say that I do it halfway, and then I was like, oh wait, I'm halfway. And then I'm like, oh wait, I can start putting platforms on. I'm like, oh, I went too far. So here it is. This is what it looks like. It's not very good coloring, but I don't really try hard to like do coloring and stuff like that. But let me do it for you and solve it. Okay, so here, let me bring the camera down. Okay, so first, what you gotta do is, see this right here? You'd pull this down, and then it comes out, and then you go like this. That comes out, and you put that aside. So far we've only taken out those two, and then what you're gonna do, go like that. This comes out. Then what you gotta do is you fold it out like this, and then you go to the key slot right here. You gotta push it in. And then once you got it in, just gotta push. Oh wait. There. Then you just gotta push. Oh, there's some difficulties. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Oh. I connected this together so I couldn't move it, but there. Here, let's try that again. Okay. But geez, this thing is having some difficulties. Here, just gotta get that off. There we go, got that off. There we go, gotta push that down, push that down. There we go. See, and then, okay. Let's reset it. So then what you gotta do is just put that there. Get the key. Fold it up. Oh wait. The first thing you do is the key. First thing you do is the key. Make sure it's down in there. Then put the thing that's holding the key from going. And put that back. Okay, and let's try that again. Okay, let's try it again. Let's see if it works. Okay, so that right there, push that down, pops this out, put that aside. Then we have to get the thing out, get that out. Now you just come to here. Oh no. Are we having difficulties again? No, we're having difficulties. Okay. Here, let's see. There. Got it.
What?
And I broke that off. Okay. Okay, so here we have that, which it finally came out, but the piece came out, and yeah, that doesn't work. So I will let you know when it is in. I've solved the problems. Okay, so let's try the third test. Third time's the charm. Okay. Come on. Okay. Got that piece out. Okay, second piece. Come on. There we go. Second piece out. And then here we just last thing to do. I guess you go like this with your hand. And then this comes out, and then you use that key. In some people, it fits right here, but that isn't what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to do this way, which will do it, and then you watch here. I'm pushing the key. You have to push it hard enough. Oh wait, I saw. Okay. I heard something break. That's not good. Oh my goodness. It's not gonna work. It'll only work if it is a certain size. There, I gotta get rid of that. I guess your things have to be smaller. Yeah, that just that's creepy. It's a blooper. So now it should. Oh, there's another problem. Oh, I love problems. Here. You know what? I'm gonna change something. I'll put that there. Okay, so let me just show you what I am doing so you can see. Here, let's see if I can get it just right. Okay, so now you're zoomed in. Oh, there you go. Okay. So now you're zoomed in on what I can see. Oh. Okay, there we go. Got that. Maybe figured out. Oh wait, no, not entirely. Just gotta get rid of these things right there. Then it'll work. There, got it off. Let's go. Okay. Let's see. So then what you do? It's not working. No. Here. And that could just. Ooh, no, that's not gonna work. I'm literally gonna maybe have to go to square one. Okay, just got something that will maybe fix our problems. Well, some of them at least. Here, where's that brick separator? Brick separator! Oh, found a different one, but I don't know what happened to my motorcycle seat. Disappeared. Oh, there we go. And then just pop there. And then you would have to just like, here. Let's set it all up. And that's what you would see. Okay. No, because then you could just. Here. Okay, it's not really working. But I can maybe fix it. It's a maybe. Okay. Yeah. Just put that there, there, there. Ooh, I just had a good idea. Okay, so this is gonna put an end to us not being able to do this. Okay, here we go. Okay, come on. I just need one more. Oh, that's supposed to go there. And just gotta take these off. And boom. We're done. And we can still... like so, what you're supposed to be able to do. Okay. Gotta make it even more easier to get this thing out. Like barely any studs. Nothing. I don't want like nearly any resistance. See, like. Okay. Okay. I'm going in the right direction. Oh! I'm surprised with how much 2 studs can hold up force. It's insane. Come on. There we go. Okay. Come on. Pop it in. Okay, it's looking good. And then we just... let's see, like, wiggle it out. Yep, yeah, oh yeah. Okay, we're back in business. Okay. Time for the key. Okay. That is set. Key is reset. Container is reset. Remote. And yeah. We're back in business. Oh yeah. go. Everything's tight. Nothing's gonna fall off. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm a little scared. What just happened? He was starting all over the place there. There we go. Okay, let me try to solve it. 4th time trying to solve it. Okay, so like this one you have to like wiggle it. You kidding me? Okay. Yep, okay, you gotta wiggle it off. Then you get the black piece. I changed it to black. And then here we gotta go like this. Or you could just like see that right there. And here, just, it's a little stuck. Oh, I see. So, right now, what's wrong with it right now is I put this blue thing on top to keep it compressed, but I guess it caused too much friction. Yeah, okay, let's try it again. There, okay. Key comes out. This goes in. No. Oh, look, and then you just gotta, then you just gotta see on the other side. And once you push it out of its place, then you just have to lift it up if it can get up. It's that one thing. Oh, jeez. Okay. It's not a good sign. Okay. We're going with plan B. Okay. As you can see, it's still in there. Now if we slide it out. Yes, then you get your candy. So that goes back there. This, and then the key goes back in there. And then the black thing that keeps the yellow key from coming out. Then you just put that back in place, and you got yourself a little tiny vault. This is actually really hard to make. Well, it's not like horribly hard. You guys are probably way smarter than me though. But I tried my best. I tried to figure out all the problems. I think I did pretty good. There's not any more problems to solve, I guess. It's pretty awesome. And you guys leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this video. I tried so hard to make this video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next video.